See, the way these housemates are just rigmaroling with this their Ouija task, it be me like say they don't forget in our biggie house they did, because they see the seafood chop, but they sweet them. Now when they fail the Ouija task, their eye go open, their eye go clear.
Ryan Little.
Hey Bethas, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Betha. I'm really glad to have you here. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do not forget to watch my adverts. Also give this video a very big thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed watching it. Okay guys, let me just tell you, these housemates, I don't really understand them again, because their fights too much. Any small thing they don't shout. Now I can understand that most of them have very strong personalities, and they don't want anybody to talk them off and all of that, but they also need to understand that it's a task, it's a group task, and when one person faults, it might actually affect the whole of the house, All right, earlier today being day 5 still, they were trying to figure out, their task and, how to go about it, like just put it into action and all of that. Enough of the script writing and all of that, So they came up with the storyline, Liquorose kind of narrated it to us and everything, and it was time for them to now, like, start picking the cast and all of that. While I can't start again. At some point, Beatrice just flared up. I think she was trying to say something and was raising her hand as an indication. But Sammy, who is obviously like the director at this point, was still speaking. And then he was like, "Do you want me to now shut up for you to talk? Just hold on, let me finish," and all of that. And she got upset, like, "What is all this? Every time I want to say something, you people be shutting me up. What nonsense is that? Blah 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 blah." And then she walked out. And then Peace is like, "I beg, if you want to go, go. You cannot be in charge. This one, shout, shout, shout." Now so Beatrice waka enter room. Perel was now down like, "Guys, no, we cannot do this. This is a group work." And I agree with the guy, because this one you feel affect everybody. Perel is like, "No, this is a group work. Maybe we should figure out what the problem is and just sort that out before we continue." And then some of the other housemates were like, no, let's carry on." And I'm like, you guys, listen to Perel. He don't use a church right talk today now, not go here. Listen to the guy. And then before we knew it again, small time Beatrice come back outside. Now apologize, guys. I'm sorry, blah 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 blah. All of them can't clap again. They can't continue from where they stop. I say, okay, it's better you people are resolving these your issues as quickly as possible. Because if you guys let it carry on, they see una attacks, now don't they reach, so una never still do anything. Now they fight. But then after a while, I don't know. I think there was like a spirit of peace that now came into the house, and they started acting. Let me just tell you guys, Boma and White Money are great actors. Of course, we all know that Boma is an actor. If you did not know that, I'm telling you now. Boma is an actor, like a Hollywood actor. He's even a producer that has a company abroad. Okay, so not a small picking. People come, they say, waiting Boma they find for the house. Say, maybe he's even the wild card and everything. They come, they point Boma and Liquorose as the wild cards, because of course they have like a huge following on Instagram. But then don't forget, say Biggie not go play game like that. Biggie will not literally just put people in our faces that we can easily detect. So how about we look deeper? How about this housemates look deeper? Because it just might not be Boma or Liquorose, so I don't know. But anyways, guys, Boma and White Money actually acted their roles very well. White Money was acting as the dad, like the traditional Igbo dad, while Boma was like the son who, gendered and everything. Won't do anything like Nigerians, they keep hair, they speak Fune and all of that. So yeah, they did it very well. And there was a part where White Money had to dance. Oh my god, I said I was not even going to talk about it. I will just show you people. So let me insert it. See, I don't know where I did when they share the gift of dance. I don't know where, whether they chop, because food now is my second name. I don't know where I did. This guy did dance. Wait till the happen. Wait till. Anyways, moving on. Can I just tell you guys that Maria's accent, it don't enter TikTok. Yeah, so you don't enter that one where she speak for Gadi. Let me insert it as well so you guys can see. And I'll now show you clips of some people that have now been carrying out that her accent challenge on TikTok, because yes, it's a thing now. Okay,
yeah, actually I take that back quite a few, but maybe it progressed. I say maybe progress as I has now.
Yes.
Yeah, Yeah, actually, I take that back quite a few, but maybe it
I
progressed.
don't know vex. You go release the volume of the
Okay.
just release the volume.
I say maybe it progressed outside the house now.
Yes.
Now so we see am today. Everybody want to speak for them. Everybody want to sound like Maria. And let me just say something here. As much as I mentioned earlier that Maria talks too much, like the talking too much, it's too much. But the truth is that you see Maria and White Money, the two of them. Now then be content. Now then they give us something to talk about every single time. Like they carry this show for head, like no jokes. If you go on the internet, they are everywhere. Maria, okay, she they talk, yes, but you know, she they give us something to talk about. White Money self, they give us content. And guys, let me even tell you, I know I mentioned earlier today that you know Pere and White Money they had issues and all of that. And I'm just like, you know, waiting caused this whole wahala. It just cannot be that White Money was boring and Pere now said, oh, why would this be over and all of that. And then when I put out that video, a lot of people were now telling me that better it be like say you know the still road way. Hey, Pere invest for White Money because Pere been get eye for Maria, and then now Maria no come they send Pere. In they send White Money, they call him a sugar daddy, they call him saying that he been spec and all of that. In fact, White Money and Maria even had one very funny quarrel today. Maria said she's not going to talk to White Money and everything. Then he reached where she want to drink Gary. She can't ask White Money, Okoro, because she calls him Okoro. She can't ask and say, Okoro, is this Gary swelling? You know, does it rise? White Money goes say, I thought you said you're not talking to me. See, two of them, they be cat and rats. Okay, they are cat and rat, and so far so good. I can tell you guys that both of them are G's. But now I can understand where Pere is coming from. Okay, I've been the like babe. Now the babe not they send me. Now you they send. So automatically I no one follow you talk again. And this is that conversation they were having that first day. That okay, what if two guys like one girl? What are we going to do? So let me say all those conversations when they get on that first night before the girls came in the next day. All those talk now from mouth because now they don't they quarrel underground quarreling because of babe. That them even savvy. Now they're savvy, now they're matter. Anyways, guys, I'll still be on the lookout for whatever it is that happens. I just wanted to let you guys know that, you know, they've been able to start carrying out the whole rehearsals and all of that. And there's been some fights again this morning, and they don't chop fried rice and chicken today. Angel was the one that made food and all of that. So yeah, we're good on this side. My eyes did my TV screen. I don't want to miss out on anything while I attend to other of my Betha's Kitchen clients. Okay, people with the order zobo, with the order fruit juice, with the order smoothie. See, if you never order my drink, I don't know what it did for you. I don't even understand them. I'm going to leave my business page on the screen right now. Betha's Kitchen. Go and order from me. Okay, order. Because I know on your story. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye guys.
Hey, yeah, listen to me carefully. These hips are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is rare to me, your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me, my haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking bossy, it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch and German. Flow that make you nervous, in that Tuesday wagon 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder, that picture give exposure. Got bees like Oprah, my patience is bipolar.